This is the Mercedes-Benz GLE, and if you have a warning saying blind spot assist inoperative, it means that the vehicle hints you that there is a problem with the blind spot assist system based on the radars located in the corners of the rear bumper. So the radars are located here and also on that side. They are not in the wing mirrors as many people think. The radars are located here, and if this area is covered in mud, damaged, I don't know, covered in snow, it may trigger that warning. So you need to make sure that this area is clean, first of all, without any damages. The bumper sits on its place. Even the small collision, even the smallest damage on this section, on that side, may just be the reason that the blind spot system doesn't work. Also, there may be damaged wiring, water damage on the radar, but of course, this happens when there are issues with these protections here, and some water from the road comes here behind this bumper, and this is not so common. What's more common is the issue with software, and sometimes this blind spot system stops working just for no reason, and you just keep driving, or you cycle your car, so you lock the car, go away for 5 minutes, then you come back, start the car, and everything comes back to normal. In this case, it's just a software glitch. You don't need to do anything, you don't need to repair anything. Just keep driving your vehicle and everything will be fine. This is how it works.